This video is on the standard form of a linear equation. The standard form of a linear equation is ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a and b are both non-zero. It looks like this. Ax plus by equals c, a and b do not equal 0. This form is particularly useful for finding the intercepts, both the y and the x intercepts on the graph. Let's look at the equation. 3x plus 4y equals 24. This is in standard form. Notice the ax and by form equals c. So to find intercepts, you want to plug in 0 for the intercept you're not looking for. For example, if I'm looking for the x-intercept, I would plug in 0 for y. So 3x plus 4 times 0 equals 24. 4 times 0 is 0, so I end up with 3x equals 24, and therefore x equals 8. If x equals 8, that means the point 8, 0 is the x-intercept of this line. I can do the same thing with the y-intercept, but this time, instead of replacing y, I replace x, and I look for what y is equal to. So now I write 3 times 0 plus 4y equals 24. 3 times 0 is 0, so I have 4y equals 24. Divide both sides by 4. And y equals 6, meaning the point 0, 6 is the y-intercept. This is particularly helpful because it makes graphing from standard form very easy. Here are your 2 points. Put these 2 points on a graph, draw a line between them, and you have it graphed. Our 2 points were 8, 0, which is going to be out here, and 0, 6, which is going to be here. There we have 2 points, so we just draw a line between them. Better line than that. And we've graphed our equation in standard form. You may also be asked to transform an equation into standard form. So if we start off with our equation in slope-intercept form, remember, our goal is eventually an equation that looks like ax plus by equals c. This doesn't look like that yet, but we'll get it there. So the first thing you want to do to an equation like this is remove any fractions, because we don't like fractions in our standard form. And here we have negative 3/7. So to get rid of that, I'm going to multiply everything by 7 to begin with. And that means everything: y, x term, and the constant. So I end up with 7y equals negative 3x plus 35. This is negative 3x because negative 3/7 times 7 leaves us with just negative 3. Now I simply add 3x to both sides, and I've got 3x, or ax, plus 7y, or by, equals 35. See how this looks exactly like our standard form? That's the standard form of this equation.